to Dishes and Stitches. I'm your host, TeeaJeanne.
And I'm Charles Stark.
And on this channel, we bring you healthy recipes, cosplay tips and tricks, and general life hacks to help you make healthier choices for that cosplay lifestyle.
If this is your first time to our channel, please consider subscribing.
So I have a surprise.
So, we've been talking about this video for a little while, and Tia, as our cat climbs on my chair, would like me to try her complete 1 week beauty routine, and I'm gonna do it today for you guys on video, and I have no idea what I'm getting myself into, but it sounds like fun, so I'm looking forward to it.
Fun. So basically what I do from the entire week in the evening. So some of them are broken up over days, some of them I do every day, but he's about to find out just all of it that is too good.
That's right. We're taking the whole week and making it into one video, and she guarantees me that by the time we reach the end, I will have a greater appreciation for how beautiful she looks all the time. Let's get started.
You ready for me to get it off?
Let's get it. Let's do it.
You will close your eyes?
How bad can it be? Yes, I will close my eyes. So apparently, I have no idea what is going on. I always comment that she always buys a lot of products at the drugstores, Walgreens, CVS, things like that. She always needs some other beauty product, and I always tell her, "You look beautiful just the way you are." But she is about to show me why she buys all these things. So, here we go. Oh, that sounds terrible. That sounds very heavy and very large. I don't know. I'm almost afraid to open my eyes.
If you want to open your eyes, we'll go through each thing.
Oh, okay. Vivitar facial cleansing brush.
I
Okay.
got that for Christmas.
Yes. Okay.
And these are like cosmetic squares that you use to wipe off your makeup with. With this guy, this is free.
That's oil-free makeup remover. Okay.
And then lips and everything, facial masks. It's actually hair masks and lotions.
Where do we begin? By the way, my mirror lights up.
It
Just
does.
want to get that out there.
Super fancy.
Okay.
So
my mirror's lit. I'm ready.
I think what we'll do is this order.
Okay.
Go makeup remover. And these will be at the end. Well, you don't have any makeup on.
I don't.
So you don't have any makeup to remove.
Okay.
Unless you want to put some makeup.
I'm here for you. This is so I can have a greater appreciation of what you go through. So whatever you want.
I'm gonna grab some makeup.
Fantastic.
So I'll just do some eyeshadow.
Okay.
And this is sparkly, so.
Awesome.
And we'll pick. Ooh, you want the bright pink one?
Sure. Yes. Yes. I do.
Oh, girl! Look at that. We'll be taking my Neutrogena eye makeup remover.
Okay.
And you want to just got a puppy. You want to just take a little bit of that, go like that. Don't want to use too much.
Okay.
This is eye makeup remover, but don't get it in your eye.
Very well.
Wipe off.
Oh, that's nice. You guys do this every day, huh?
Yeah.
Every day? So next we're going to use these little brushies.
I use my cleanser for it. You want to
spin?
You're going to want to put it on your face before you turn it on.
Alright, here we go.
And then turn it on. And you just want to do little circular motions. Over your cheeks.
Oh, that's nice. Oh.
And I just kind of go around my whole face with it.
Okay. All right. Well, I feel refreshed. I should go probably wash this before I start bleeding out of my eyes in pain.
Did you get it in your eye?
A little bit.
Okay, let's
A little bit.
Wash your eyes.
So we'll be right back. Now that that's out of my eyes. Nice. What's next?
Next one, I also use several times during the week. This is the St. Ives Apricot Scrub. I've been using this one for years, and it helps keep your blackheads down and your skin clear.
Okay, sounds awesome.
But it is grainy, so you're gonna want your face to be damp a little bit.
Okay.
Oh my god, it's wet. Okay, so just gonna want to take a little bit like that.
Okay. Like that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then you rub between your fingers.
Oh, I see what you mean. Gritty.
It like cleans up those pores.
Okay.
And then don't get in your eyes again.
All right. And just rub it all over your face?
Yep. I just want to rub it.
Oh, it's like sandpaper. Oh, that's nice.
Is it nice?
I feel like the first 2 layers of my skin just rubbing off. Oh. Wow.
Isn't that nice?
You said you do this. You do this every day.
Every day, yeah.
I'm surprised you're not like just a skeleton running around. I'm surprised you have any dermis left at all. This is brutal. I'm pretty sure this is a medieval type torture device.
Let's go rinse it off our faces.
That's wow.
Oh dear.
Oh. Wow, I look like I have scabies.
Yes.
Woo. All right, what's next?
The next one, I use these only once a week. One on your nose.
Okay.
Right there.
All right, so now the allotted time has passed. So what do we do? Rip it off?
Oh, I would feel it.
Oh, okay. All right. Ah. Okay. Wow. Wow.
He had a fun time rinsing that off. I told him when you rinse and you think you're done, rinse again. You don't want that in your eyes.
And I'm gonna tell you right now, when they tell you don't put it in your eyes, don't get it in your eyes. So I see 3 more products on the table. So what's next?
All 3 of these are just hydration stuff at the end.
Okay, so this is the
Beyond
Belief Night Moisturizer. Just put it on your face.
Yeah. Just do a couple fingers of it.
It's probably the lightest thing I've put on my face this entire video. It actually feels nice. All right.
Well, especially after everything that you just did to your skin, you dry it out a little bit using all those different products. So I'm sure you felt your skin really tight there towards the end.
Yes.
So this kind of helps rehydrate your skin. Plus, I normally don't use them all at the same time like that. So.
Okay, that makes so much sense. So that was a good one. I like that one. That one's good.
The next one, this is really gooey. It's Malin Goetz Mojito Lip Balm.
Mojito?
Mojito.
It's the drink of my people.
This guy goes on pretty thick. You only want to grab just a little tiny bit.
And what, you apply it like chapstick?
Yeah, you just rub it on your lips.
Okay.
And this one, I usually only use when my hair is wet. So
my hair is very wet after all the face washing I've done today. So I think we're safe.
And this stuff smells amazing.
Okay.
So pump you out just a little bit there.
Okay.
Now grab a little bit.
Oh, that does smell good.
Doesn't it smell nice?
That is nice. That's nice. And what is that?
This is Frizzfix Straightening Balm and Keratin by CIBU or CIBU?
CIBU.
And you just want to rub it into your hands real good.
Okay.
I just take it and run it through the ends of my hair. You don't want to rub it like into your scalp. It's nice and hydrating for your hair.
For what hair I have left, it looks great.
And that is my weekly everything.
Wow. That is absolutely crazy and insane. No wonder you look beautiful all the time.
Oh, I see what you did.
Yeah. Well, I mean, thank you for show me that was a lot. Now you definitely go through a lot.
Do you see, have you used any today that you think you might use again?
I really like that apricot scrub actually. I know it feels like you're being sandblasted when you're using it, but afterwards I did feel like my skin was a lot smoother, so I'm gonna start using that.
Which mask do you think you would use in the future? The mint mask, or are you gonna use mine?
I think I'm gonna switch it up. The mint mask was very tingly and made me feel like the Joker. I could no longer feel my eyebrows or my cheekbones.
It does, it tightens up your whole face.
So I think for the next time, I'm gonna use the other mask. Maybe the mint one once a month for me.
Thanks for doing my routine with me today.
Well, thanks for showing me. I had a great time. Thank you. And I feel a lot more beautiful.
And remember, at Dishes and Stitches, we're putting the confidence back into cosplay.
Hey guys, if you're interested in the products we used in this video, we've got everything tagged in the description below. Just go ahead and check those out.
If you want to see more videos, click on the link over here. And if you'd like to subscribe to see more of our videos, not just that one there, click on the link above. And if you'd like to see some of our cosplay videos, click on the link over here.